In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive in Windows 11. Let's dive right in and take back control of your storage preferences. So, the first thing you want to do is locate the OneDrive icon in your system tray. This is typically found on your taskbar. It's represented by a small cloud icon, and it's essentially your gateway to OneDrive settings. If you don't see it straight away, you might need to click on the Show Hidden Icons arrow to reveal it. Once you've got your eyes on the OneDrive icon, go ahead and click on it. Clicking the icon will bring up a small menu where you'll encounter several options. Among these, you'll want to select the Settings icon, which usually looks like a little gear or cog. It's nestled right there within the menu. A quick click on the Settings icon will then open up a new window. In this newly opened window, you'll see a menu with various tabs. Here, you're going to want to click on the Settings option located right at the top. This will guide you to another panel brimming with different settings that you can customize. Now, your focus should be on navigating to the Account tab. This step is pivotal. You'll need to tread carefully through these options to ensure everything is done smoothly. Under the Account tab, you'll spot an option labeled Unlink this PC. By clicking here, you're essentially disconnecting OneDrive from syncing files with your PC. Though OneDrive is no longer linked at this stage, you might want to take it a step further and remove it entirely from your computer. To accomplish this, head over to your computer's main settings. You can access settings via the Start menu. Once you're there, look for either Apps or Apps and Features. The exact name might vary slightly depending on your system configuration, but it should be intuitive to find. Take your time and scroll through the list of installed applications until you stumble upon Microsoft OneDrive. This part is critical, so don't rush. Make sure you locate the correct app. Once you see OneDrive in the list, click on it, and you'll notice an Uninstall button pop up. Go ahead and click Uninstall to kickstart the removal process. Finally, you'll be prompted to confirm that you want to uninstall OneDrive. Confirming this step will permanently remove the app from your system, freeing up some space and resources on your PC. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled and uninstalled OneDrive from your Windows 11 machine. Congratulations on completing this process. By following these steps, you've taken charge of how your files are stored and managed on your PC. If you ever decide to utilize OneDrive again, you can always download and reinstall it with ease. Enjoy the newfound control over your storage options.